Rolex GMT Master 2 watch. Main features are Rolex GMT Master 2 in 2026 is the official discontinuation of the iconic Pepsi model, Ref. 126,710 BLRO in both stainless steel and white gold. Rolex officially retired this red and blue Cerachrome bezel configuration at the Watches and Wonders event. Concurrently, Rolex expanded the lineup with a groundbreaking green ceramic, Cerachrome, dial variant. Movement, caliber 3,285 manufacture Rolex mechanical movement with an independent local hour hand. Power reserve approximately 70 hours. Case diameter 40 m with a bidirectional rotatable 24-hour graduated bezel. Accuracy, superlative chronometer, certified to 2+2 seconds per day. Waterproofness up to 100 meters, 330 feet. Rolex GMT Master 2 green Cerachrome dial, reference number is 126,729 VTNR. This ultra-premium 18-karat white gold model is a left-handed destro configuration, featuring the crown on the left and the date at 9 o'clock. Rolex GMT Master 2 Batman Batgirl reference number is 126,710 BLNR. The highly sought-after blue and black Cerachrome bezel remains a staple in the collection. Rolex GMT Master 2 Sprite, reference number is 126,720 VTNR. The right-hand dominant crowd remains fascinated by this left-handed layout featuring a green and black bezel insert. Rolex GMT Master 2 Bruce Wayne reference number is 126,710 GRNR. The sleek black and gray Cerachrome bezel option, paired with steel construction, serves as the most understated modern GMT option. Rolex GMT Master II Root Beer reference number is 126,711 CHNR or 126,715 CHNR. Available in either two-tone steel and Everose gold, Rolser, or solid 18 karats Everose gold, featuring the signature brown and black ceramic bezel.